Hello and welcome. This is the first video I'm making for this series called Learn to Code in December. The group has sort of like settled, so I'm confident that we have like 128 people. This video will be the first video in the playlist, and this video will show you how to install the Python interpreter. Now the first thing you do is you go to this site python.org. Once you click on that, you wait for the page to load. And you click on download. Now, automatically, the computer just knows, it reads my operating system and knows that, yes, I'm looking for Python 3.8. And so I click on this. And then the download begins. Now, this class assumes that you've created a GitHub account. And it also assumes that you've created a WordPress.com account. Now, the advantage of the GitHub account is that you'll be able to share your code from anywhere it is in the world with everyone. Once you have an account, it's quite easy to create. You just click on sign up, put your username, email, and then your password. You can then show your work as time goes on. This is mine, and it just helps you to have a centralized place where all the code you write as a person is placed. These are my repositories, and this is a little bit about me. WordPress.com is interesting because it allows you create a website for free. WordPress powers 35% of the internet and rising. There's a lot of options here, but what you should look out for once you scroll down is this one. This would allow you to do everything you plan to do. So we're waiting for the download to finish. When that finishes, we'll start the installation and we'll move on. So the assumption is you've done this and then you've done this. Just the creation of the account. I don't want anything special. You can always customize later. And then your WordPress.com account, the idea is you'd write a project about this and then do a post here, and then you'll be good to go. So I see now that the download has finished. So let me just double click on this and I'll get started. So I'll click on run. Then I'll wait for that. So this is very important because we're going to click this to do the installation, but this is the part I want to add. Down the line, you might want to go into data science or use other functions in Python. So this is very important. It's important you add your Python to your part. And then the rest is easy. The computer will bring up the user interface screen, and then it will say ask you for permissions, and then the rest is just very easy once you can get through this stage. So you're just waiting for this to finish, and it's a wait. It's not a long wait, it's just a very simple wait. I'm really happy that some people have already gone ahead, like even finished the PDF I uploaded. So this isn't meant to slow down everybody. Programming isn't a race. It's not you competing with anybody. You are ultimately competing with yourself. A lot of people have asked me, what are the 3 things I feel a programmer should have? The first one is something that can be gotten from reading material, so you can develop passion for programming. The second one for me would be creativity, and the third one would be imagination. So if you have those 3, you can be a good programmer. Passion is easy, but imagination and creativity, you must search within yourself. So for me, those are the 3 things I will always say that you should try and look out for if you want to be a programmer. And And so we just